Hello, welcome back to my video. This time I want to share tutorials to make a QR code in Microsoft Word. Now a QR code is needed to share the link and then phone number and then any other maps. Let's begin. Before that, make sure the computer is connected to the internet because we will download a QR for Office add-in. The first step, run your Microsoft Word. The second step, click Insert, My add-in and Store, and then search QR for Office. Okay, and then click Add to add the QR for Office add-in, and then click Continue to the installation. Wait for the process for a while, and after the QR code add-in are installed, they will appear on the right side of your document. Okay, and the next step, fill in the column using the link that we will make a QR code. I want to link my channel YouTube. This option, you can choose a color, what do you want, and then well done, click Insert. This is QR code we made, and I want to try scan this QR code. Okay friend, bye bye, thanks for watching.